Hello again, this is Stacy at Graveside Adventures. I am here at the Parkland Cemetery with my mom, and this is the grave site of my grandpa and grandma Hoover. Is there anything you'd like to say about your parents?
This is where my father was born in Cushing, and his father was born here in Parkland. My mother's from California, where we lived. We came here 26 years ago. Dad wanted to come home before he died. That was 18 and a half years ago he died. There's lots of family here in the cemetery. His brother and his two wives, and his sister and her husband, both sets of Dad's grandparents, his brother, his uncle, his aunt. Lots of family buried here.
Is there any fond memories that you have of Grandpa and Grandma that you'd like to talk about?
Yes, we was always going exploring. Dad drove a logging truck, and sometimes on a weekend he would take us to go see where he was logging. And sometimes we stayed up in the mountains while he was logging. It was fun when we built the house there in Eltras. And we had two big clumps of lava rock at the end of the place called Castle Rock, and you climb around on it and go inside. And we went to a one-room schoolroom. There were 7 of us, my brother and I, and some of the brother's children. We had lots of fun.
Okay, we'll sign out and see you next time on Gravesite Adventures.